I be getting to the money. Everybody mad. I think I'm getting too much money. Everybody mad.
What's up, Wealth Babe? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of the wealth building content that I release here on this channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about a few REITs that I have been eyeing lately. But if you don't know what a REIT is, click the link in the cards above, because I'll link my previous video on me explaining exactly what REITs are. For short, they are real estate investment trusts, but that video goes into a lot of detail about exactly what the REIT is, or the REITs are. So I am going to go ahead and hop into this video, which will look at specific REITs that I've been eyeing lately. Let's get into it. So the following three REITs are the ones that we'll be reviewing in detail. The first is New Realty Income Corp, which is ticker symbol O, and the second is Simon Property Group, which the ticker symbol is SPG, and the third will be New Residential Investment Corp, which the ticker symbol is NRZ. Now the first two have been around for about 26 and 27 years. They've hit the stock exchange I believe as early as 1993 and 1994. 1993 for Simon Property Group, and 1994 for Realty Income Corporation. Now NRZ, New Residential Investment Corp, that one hit the stock exchange in 2013, so it's the newest of the three. But let's go ahead and elaborate or review these three REITs in more detail. So Realty Income Corporation is the REIT with long-term lease agreements in the commercial markets, and these spaces include retail spaces as well as office and industrial spaces. So when I say spaces, I'm pretty much talking about buildings, real estate. Now, when I researched this REIT, I read that it was a conservative REIT, and the reason being is because most of the tenants that occupy these spaces are responsible for the operating cost of these buildings. Now, because it has retail spaces, we all know that during these times of COVID, what happened with retail? A lot of the retail offices or buildings were closed down. So as a result, the lessees were unable to pay their rents. Now, that is specific to this pandemic, but of course, this is the REIT that has been around for a longer span of time. So I take that as a more stable and sustainable REIT that will be around for an even longer time. And as of July 15th, the stock or share price is actually $58.63, which is not too shabby in my opinion. So let me know what you think about Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. Simon Property Group is the second, and this REIT is responsible for or dedicated to real estate with shopping malls, entertainment, and dining. I'm a little bit on edge about this REIT specifically because of the decline of traffic in shopping malls. Myself, I don't shop at shopping malls really at all these days. Prior to the COVID pandemic, I probably only went to the mall about one or two times this year, and to be honest, both times I remember being disappointed about what I saw in the mall. So I didn't buy anything. Let me know in the comments below if you've shopped at the mall this year prior to COVID. I'll say I feel like the whole shopping mall experience just needs to be revamped, rejuvenated, revived. It's pretty much a dead experience for me, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you all. Let me know in the comments below if you think malls will have a comeback. Now, the ticker symbol for this is SPG, and the share price as of July 15th, 2020 is $66 and I believe about 59 cents. So also that isn't too shabby, but I feel like in order for me to purchase a share or multiple shares, I would have to be more confident about the shopping mall experience. And I do feel as though there could be a way that we could put a spin on the shopping mall experience, but I don't know. Right now I feel like it's dying a little bit. I don't even like what I see in the malls, but let me know what you think about SPG. New Residential Investment Corp is the third NRZ, and as the name suggests, it is a REIT with residential mortgages in the US. Now, to be completely honest, the share price is what caught my attention on this REIT, which I will share a little later. But this REIT is or was primarily responsible for originating mortgages for individuals that could not be guaranteed by the government, but they have since moved to loans or mortgages that can be guaranteed by the government, because the former wasn't that good of a business for them. On top of that, they have moved into, or since moved into, servicing, so making sure that the payments that the mortgage or the borrowers are putting in against their mortgages are then in turn received by the investors, and also ensuring that insurances and taxes are paid on these mortgages. So that whole spiel or spew of the servicing aspect. Now, the share price for NRZ is $7.30, which is impeccable. But the thing is I don't know exactly if this share is undervalued or if NRZ is undervalued. If it is, I do want to hop on this share because I can definitely afford this one. But as I was doing more research, I've read that this is a more complex REIT, and especially during this time, it was affected, as you could probably already tell, by COVID. A lot of the borrowers were not able to pay their mortgages, and some even went into forbearance. So comment below and let me know your thoughts on this REIT as well. Do you like that share price? Because I definitely do. Let me know if you've heard anything about this REIT or what your opinions are on it. That's it for now, Wealth Babe. Let me know what you think about these REITs specifically. I will be sharing additional REITs in the future, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the video on this channel titled REITs, so that you can learn more about exactly what it is if you don't know already. But if you have made it through the end of this video, then I'm sure you have more insight. If you didn't already know, you do now. So as always, please remember that if you're not fully, truly, and totally committed to building wealth, then chances are you won't.